Yummy. Wait my gosh. You know, I need the reading eyeglasses. Because I cannot read. My homemade Italian classic almond biscotti. Wow, this is so yummy. Ingredients for first plus. You know the biscotti, so I'm not gonna read the ingredients anymore. Yeah, your friend Jenny. Ooh, Harley, thank you so much, Harley.
From Harley.
Harley, it's my birthday gift, not you, Harley. Not you, Harley. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna eat the biscotti, guys.
Yeah, ate, magaling siya. Excuse us, can I have two? This is my favorite.
Oh, wait till you try that.
You want some?
Yeah. If you have coffee, you dip it in the coffee.
Yeah.
Tea. Ay, nagima.
Diba ang dalong buwan ni Kaya, ramidang ka.
Ladies, eat biscotti.
No, there's one now.
Harley wants your biscotti.
Later naman.
Favorite ko ato eh.
Eh,
I have a-
kabel mo nakita yung story, yung kabel ko.
I have a client Italian before. She made this one. Nanamanay ni Maria.
That's hard to make.
You know, it's hard to make this one.
Yeah,
I know.
that's hard. Yeah.
I want to try, but I never tried until now.
This is, I'm making my hand make, stand mixer before I do my hand, but I don't like. It's more nice the stand mixer.
If you got the mixer, it's easier. But
Yeah,
it's
Stand
too much
mixer,
work.
I got.
It's too much work.
But
Amo
this
nga,
is
dito
too
nito
much.
karamay.
It's too much work.
Okay, guys, it's so yummy, the biscotti. This one is Italian biscotti.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Harley.
Mayroong ano siya sa loob.
Almonds. Almond
No.
biscotti.
Almonds.
Almond.
Favorite ko kasi almond.
Oh, they're delicious. Try one. More for your dessert.
Ang kasi nag-cramps lang. Ala kami, oh.
Edward, get a biscotti.
You want more? Ano ko? Bantayan na ko na eh.
Siyempre, gawaan ni mama niya.
No, don't give
Mommy
her this
May.
one.
How
Don't give
come
this
you
one.
gonna eat this? This is for May.
Yeah, the one, I mean, almond,
Special
no, look at
day.
the almond, baby. No.
Did you give her a piece?
Hala ko
Yeah,
na mo.
I did.
Okay, don't give her any more.
I did.
Yeah, that's okay. One piece. That's it.
Hala ko na mo.
She can't eat the almonds.
Oh?
No.
Oh my
It's okay.
God.
Just one piece.
Oh.
It's okay. But now
No,
she's
no,
now,
no, no,
now that you
no.
let her taste
Harley,
it. Now
stop.
that you let her taste it, you're
Wala ka,
you're in trouble.
Pinipinikak na
Huwag mo
tayo.
kamikan.
I know, but,
Harley, come here. Leave it more alone. It's her birthday.
no, Harley birthday today.
Manabara po ikan ko na nalagad allergy na. Di makatartar.